Oh, hey guys. So we're gonna play Roblox today. Can't you guys see that? Oh, sorry. I don't know if you guys really want to see who's playing. My sister's gonna join. She might be recording. I'm not positive. You guys are not gonna see my house because I'm living with her and I don't have a house. So, but if I did, then I would be like super rich and everything. But no. I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. Blast off. Woohoo! So fun. Sorry if you guys hear swearing or anything in the background. It's people in the house. Sister just got home from school. I think I already told you. I'm dumb, so I really don't know. Have you guys ever had candy? Oh, I love candy. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But see, guys, this isn't me. Gucci, 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 Gucci. I am like really poor in this game, but I had started who knew, and I live with my sister. So mood, skills. Let's see my skills. Athletic. All my skills suck. That's so embarrassing. What is this? Well, I want all of this. Like literally all of this. Except large lot. I don't really know if I want a large lot. Options. Uh, uh, what the is happening? Alright. My sister needs to hurry because I'm not gonna play with her if she doesn't hurry up. This is so weird. ABC for mom and I need I need two kids. Two. You spelled that wrong. I'm hungry. Let's go get something to eat. I have $100. Nice second walk. Go. I have a. I swear, like a truck driver. I feel worse than a truck driver. Like super, super duper worse. Like a lot worse. But I swear to God. Oh my God! Don't say that. Interesting. Maz, it's time for school. Maybe for a mom with a cousin and aunt living in a mansion. You need way too much stuff. No. I live with you, but you probably don't even have a house. ABC. Well, I'm hungry, so am I. Do I look like I'm morning? I know, I'm rude. Really rude. But I don't care. We can maybe do some Sims 4. Oh my god, I love Sims 4. We're gonna order some food. Order food. I want pizza slice. Give me a damn pizza slice. I almost swear because I don't want to get in trouble too much. But I talk too much. Annoying. Yes, I am annoying. What? You get to choose? Coaching sense. What? Why don't I get that? Annoying too. I'm not sick. He has to talk way too much. I only $94. I started off with 100. Oh, your aunt's picking up. Hi, annoying person. Oh, let's talk. I want to talk. I'm bored. Let's get in the car. Okay, welcome to Fancy Furniture. I'd like to buy some furniture. Wow, this is so fancy furniture. I know, right? I'd like to buy some furniture. Blast off! Ooh, there's tons of people, tons of people, tons of people. I don't feel like working. I hate working, but I'm gonna work. For the house. So, hey, move out of my way. Whatever your name is, I really don't care. I don't care. She was in my plate. Sorry, my sister's eating, of course. What is she not eating? Boom, boom. Can this thing go any faster? You know what? Let's zoom out. It won't drive. Bye. Yeah, bye, guys. I'm kidding. I won't leave you. I'm the only one that cares about you. I'm kidding. I'm just really bored. You guys want to see my house? Hell no, I don't have a house. I deleted it all. Even my car. And my car was worth $90,000. Oh shit. She's over here. I don't know if it's boy or girl. You know what? I'm not gonna find out either. Oh, your game was spelled. Shit, my game is spelled. So guys, I'll be right back. Hello guys! Blast up. See, my sister's art lover page. Friend her and friend me like right away before.
But why do I have a small one? I should have the biggest.
But I think she's a little mad what I did to her house, but she's gonna love it.
Oh, my house.
Log in right now. I'm getting frustrated. Happy home of Roblox. Please don't see my house. See, like my house, it's like the most amazing house. Now I have to go find my sister's house. What am I? Okay. We're on a new game. Are you serious? You come all the way down there. Don't you like what's down the end of your lot?
You put my quiet on?
Shh, don't call. Oh, wait, you also need to get a new computer. Because you don't have one.
Well,
Yeah. Oh.
you didn't finish the cafe.
No, I suck at cafe.
So, but that now, for I'm just going to be an empty room.
What is it gonna be an empty room? You know what?
Look, but there's no desk. I mean, laptop.
Because you need money. You need to work. I'm not gonna be the person who's working. Sorry, guys, but I don't work. I went the wrong way. Shit. Sorry, guys, but for my language, but I do what I want to do, and no one tells me else.
So now, look, there's an empty room.
Where's that? Why, Pete? Stop making your room so big. You don't need that big of a room.
But I like. I'm going to put my white.
Don't you like the Christmas pictures?
Why? What? Christmas decorating.
Because it's Christmas. And don't you like the tree? It's like the Christmas. Oh, I probably won't be recording on Christmas or Christmas Eve or anything around that. But I might. It's me. I have school, so, but.
Okay, I'm done.
What side are you on? What side is she on?
Flat side.
Flat? I wish I could just teleport to your house.
After I
Throw a party. But then, like, then make everyone like a guest except me. Make me co-owner. But throw a party because I don't feel like walking anywhere. Yes. Now change me for guest to co-owner. Now. Don't you like what I did to the house? It's not finished, but. So, guys, I haven't been talking to you much. Who's your guys' favorite singer? Well, I don't really listen to music like that. I listen to rap. And mine is Drake, then 6ix9ine. Yo, look at the heaviest thing. Hi, aren't never playing. Why can't I get in your house? Oh, change permission. How did I get 20? I don't know. 1, 2, yes. I should do all 9s. And let's do some 7. Let's do this. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that.
And then I to my bedroom.
Continue. 4. She deserves it. Where's your bedroom? Peyton, are you serious? No, I'm not kidding, Peyton. I made this house the way I liked it. You know what? This is my bedroom. See, this is what she gives me. Oh, you want to see the bedroom we share? The bathroom we share? Hideous. And you want to see this room? Nothing. We can just make it into something. But it does look cute up there with that bed. Not to lie, but she needs to, like, take down those stupid posters.
Hey, no!
But don't you like this? This is so pretty. Okay, I'm going to bed. See ya. I'm bored, but.
Why did you delete our? I know what to give this. Wait, no. I know what to do.
Oh my god, I'm not. It's almost 10 minutes. We've only been talking for 10 minutes. Shut! Little bitch. Shh. Well, don't laugh so loud. You know, no, don't make that your bedroom. If you like it up there, then don't make it.
No, I think this should be the show.
Alright, put your thing back down.
I'm putting my kawaii books though.
I don't care about that.
I'm always about the kawaiis.
You guys, I found out to do is delete this,
Delete what?
delete this, build, wall, no, build walls. But don't you like the house like this? Isn't it so cool and festive? The
But
walls
how
are.
did you put the kawaii poster right there?
What do you mean? Hi guys. Sorry, I'm not talking much. I just don't feel like talking.
Cause you're sassy and mean, and you're cool and you're hard.
Shh. Hey, what's in the inventory? Nothing. Alright, get out of build mode. Increase my budget. Yeah, I think that's good, right? Holy shit. That should be fine, right? Set budget at. Yeah, I think that's good. Get out of build mode right now! I'll use that. Now it's gonna be me glitch, Peyton. Do it now because I don't feel like walking to your house again. This is what I hate sharing a house because she doesn't know how to listen when I tell her to, and I'm older by like 100 million years. Actually, a lot older than 2 years. Come on, Peyton. I don't have a lot of time. It's already at 12 minutes. And what did you do to my house? I'm hungry, like really hungry.
There's no kawaii.
Are you freaking?
This is gonna be kawaii.
Build mode.
No, no.
We need a roof, Peyton. Roof. No, stop. What just happened?
I want to go to get something.
We need build mode. Hey, we need a roof on the house. If you're not gonna like that, I'm not playing with you. She doesn't know to listen by my rules. Like, it gets
This is
annoying.
my house.
I don't care. But I'm the one who paid for most of this house. So I don't even try. I literally paid for most of this house by working. Even though I did it on her character, it's still the same. I paid for most of this house. Alright. Now let's go. Welcome to the suite. Look how high these ceilings are. That ceiling's a little higher, but no one gives a shit.
Actually, I give
I don't know what you think. See her plain and disgusting bedroom with her stupid things on the wall.
talk about kawaii like that.
Guys, let's just say, ooh, I have like a minute left to say bye. Well, guys, this was a boring video, but I think I'm gonna end it here. So, bye. You guys wanna end with me drinking some tea and saying Gucci Gooch, Gucci Gucci. Wanna look at the posters? Oh, let me give you a house tour. This is the laundry room. This is like the living kitchen. My bedroom, bathroom, Peyton's bedroom.
Why do you have
The best place. The best place.
This is my
Living
room.
room
My room?
and
Yes.
Christmas tree. Bye, guys.